Hello students, it's Miss B. Today we will be learning about playing music when you don't have traditional instruments. No matter what you have around you right now, most of you have at least two instruments, your voice and your body. We will be learning about beatboxing. Beatboxing replaces instruments with vocalizations. We will start with the bass drum, also called the kick drum. It's the largest drum in the drum kit and it sits on the floor. The musician makes a sound by stepping on a pedal to make the beater hit the drum. The bass drum will make a sound like a boot, but without using your voice. Pretend you want to tell your friends something across the room, but you're trying to be sneaky. The next instrument we will learn about is the snare drum. It's the drum on legs that has metal coils underneath that vibrate. The musician hits the snare drum with drumsticks. The snare drum will make a sound like a key, but without using your voice. For our first pattern, we will use our teacher clapping pattern. Let's try that with boo and key. Now you practice. As you get better, you can create your own songs. Next time, we'll add the hi-hat. Bye.